Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Today we are in the Budget by Paycheck Workbook and we will be going over mm, anything that happened in the last week. So let's just grab our glasses and get right to it. Alright, it is game night, guys. Now last week I managed to go and not spend a penny while I was there. I did pick up some soda on the way, but that was significant less than, buying something at the game, so I will try and do the same today because, as usual, my spending for things I don't need to spend for are out of control. So we'll get into that in just a minute. So since we met last, which was here, not had a whole lot of bills come in. So there's not going to be much activity there. But I did, put in all of the amounts here, and I got something on my finger when I was trying to clean out the um, dehumidifier downstairs, and it just won't come out. I don't know what it is. It's weird. But anyway, so sorry about that bit of nastiness on my finger. And for this week, I've had a couple of the bills come through and some normal things. I do not have anything on the credit cards that I have other than the US Bank, which I've just been paying off as I have expenses. So I have just been covering that as we go. Fix this a little bit. Looked a little bit off. Um, I did have to reconcile uh, my oh wait, I think I just did it on the wrong side. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Um, so all of this is good. I put a little bit of money back in that I had taken out because I had pulled out a little bit of money here. So I put $500 back in and just to get this beef put back up to a reasonable amount. Um, so let's get into actual expenses here. Uh, a lot of gifting and pet care this week. So um, here's where I transferred that 500 to put the money back in that I took out, and it was a little extra too, which was fine. Um, my cats, they tore up one of their towers already, and this was a month or so ago. I kept saying I need to get another tower, and the other one I had to replace as well, so I went ahead and picked up two cat towers, and also I picked up a new stainless steel um, litter box because the one I have is plastic and it just doesn't hold up very well. So I got a stainless steel one and hopefully that will hold up a little bit better. Um, I switched from the internet service provider that I've had for years and went with a Glow Fiber, and I changed that out last week. Um, I will get a small refund from my old internet service provider. I think it's like $20 or $30, and that is processing, so I'll get that credited um, pretty soon. But as you can see, it will be roughly, I feel like it's going to be around $90 because I'm using their um, what do you call it, router for now until I can go out and get myself a decent router. Um, so I'm renting their router for like $12 or $13 a month, which I will replace that eventually. But for now, I'm just going to use theirs because I know it's top of the line. I know it's going to be something that's going to handle the uh, 2 GB that I'm paying for. And I'm actually getting the 2 GB that I'm paying for. One of the main reasons that I switched was because my old internet service provider, and it is a cable company. I just was not getting what I was paying for. I was getting a fraction of what I was paying for, and I just felt like I wanted to try something different. A lot of people in the neighborhood switched to Glow Fiber, and I thought I would give it a try. And so far, I'm extremely impressed. I'm super happy with the download and upload speeds. That does not look like it's going to be a mistake. Um, my grandkids had a walkathon, and I wanted to go ahead and contribute to both of them for the walkathon, and that was this week. So I went ahead and put $50 for them. And the reason I chose that amount is because, while their mom had put in at least that amount, and uh, uh, Rachel's partner had put in, $25 or something. It was short of like some milestone like that they could get. So I just kind of beefed it up to they get like a certain milestone. I think it was like a party that they got to attend or something. Um, or ice cream. I don't remember what it was. So it was some perk, and I just wanted to make sure they reached that perk. And then my grandson used to have actually they both have a Echo in their room, but Link can't find his. I think in the moves, I'm not sure what happened to it. So I went ahead. Rachel was talking about getting it, and I just ordered it for her, and I've got that on the way for him. So um, and that's about it. And again, it's mostly me spending for other people. I do have some activity on the card, but as you can see, it's not quite a zero balance because I made this payment today. It's transferring, but the only thing that else after the last time we talked, and I think I even might have mentioned this, that I got this dishwasher, and I got that installed. It works wonderfully. I even put in a um, like a bowl that had sat overnight where someone had instant oatmeal in it the night before, and I put that in there and it cleaned it. So I'm happy with that purchase for them, and that should help them in the future. So that's pretty much it for the week. Um, I don't think I have anything else going on here that I've written in. Nope, nope. It's all the same stuff. Um, again, mostly just overspending on things that I didn't need to, but it makes me happy, and it was there. It does look like I'll be able to put a little bit extra into the HELOC. Now, the HELOC has a $4,000 balance, I think, 4,400. Let's go find that out. Yeah, 4,000. It has a $4,000 balance. There is an auto draft, which got me a reduced interest rate of $35 that will happen on the 29th or 30th. And with that, I will be able to add a little bit of extra to this stat to get this down. And it will hopefully be maybe, I don't know, 100 or $200, I think. We'll see, but I'll put a little bit extra on that debt once the month is kind of fleshed out, and hopefully have not spent that on, some random gubbins in the house. So the next video is going to be it's probably tomorrow. It depends on whether or not I need to go over to Rachel's. If I go over to Rachel's, I may or may not record this. But if I don't, I'll go ahead and record this. And if it's not this one, I will do an assignment. I just don't know whether it'll be on Friday. Mainly because I might still be over at Rachel's. She's finally able to get up and down the stairs. She's going to try and drive this weekend. She still can't lift her arms above her shoulders. but she's going to try and do a little bit of driving to see how she feels about that. And she says even if she feels good driving herself, she's not very comfortable being in the car and being responsible for the boys because she knows she's not going to be able to react quickly. So I may or may not be over there. We'll see. And that, of course, will determine whether or not I have either one of these two um, You Need a Budget videos. If you're just looking for the Budget Mom check-ins, the next one, of course, will be Saturday. And I know I'll be here Saturday at some point. So that looks like the next video. And I guess that is it. So I will talk to you then.